Hey guys, just a quick video on how to replace your worn out Gerni O-ring. Remove the hose link from the trigger handle and remove the broken O-ring. Make sure that the connection is nice and clean and there's no damage to the tip of the brass fitting. Also make sure that the trigger handle is clean and not damaged as well. Grab your new O-ring connection O-ring and place it on the channel halfway across and then fold it over neatly like that. Sometimes it helps to add a little bit of baby oil or machine grease to this section of the fitting to enable a clean connection. Keep in mind there is no requirement to add an O-ring at this second channel. Go ahead now and install your trigger and you're done.